Clap. They clapped loudly after his speech. Catch. She is catching the ball. Shake hands. He watched them shake hands and embrace. Lift. He lifted the box onto the table. Teach. I'm teaching English to my students. Call. I'll call you later. Write. She writes with her left hand. Go. He's going to school. Carry. A donkey can carry a heavy burden. Lock. He locked the door. Bake. My mother is going to bake a cake for my birthday party. Float. She is floating on her back. Juggle. He juggled 3 balls at once. Bounce. I bounced a ball against the house. Fold. She is folding a blanket. Mix. She mixed the flour with 3 eggs. Dig. He is digging a deep hole. Knock. He knocked lightly on the door. Mop. I mop the kitchen floor twice a week. Build. We want to build our own home. Draw. He drew me a picture of the bike. Comb. I combed my hair before I left home. Skate. We skate at the park. Swing. I am swinging on the swing. Slide. The children giggled as they slide down the slippery slide at the park. Wave. She raised her hand to wave. Sew. She designs her own dresses and sews in her free time. Spin. He is spinning a ball on his finger. Jump. The children were jumping up and down with excitement. Eat. I like to eat at home. Drink. She drinks orange juice every day. Cook. She cooked a special dinner for me. Wash. She is washing her hands before eating food. Talk. She is talking with her friend. Push. She is trying to push the box. Pull. He is pulling the box from its rope. Climb. He likes to climb mountains. Clean. Let's clean our room. Hit. He is hitting the ball out of the ground. Hug. She is hugging her friend. Kick. He is kicking the ball. Look. She looked at me. Shout. She is shouting on her employees. Brush. I always brush my teeth before I go to bed. Wait. She is waiting for the bus.